Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Mike. It is about 11:20 here on Friday, July 5th, and I'm leaving for early for the day. It's been a very nice week here in the markets. It's been, as we expected, a slow grind up. The last three sessions, nice big move, new all-time highs on the SPY. Volume today, it's pathetic. Coming up on 2 million out 2 hours, we're at 10 million shares. No, not a surprise. It's going to be very quiet here into the close. The big volume we had late in the day on Wednesday was the fund managers getting everything done as they go into the weekend, and they're mostly away. Overall, market looks just fine here. At this point, stick with the trend. The trend is your friend. The trend is up. Qs, similar, looks great. The financials taking a breather, coming back in. Energy still, despite strong oil, can't get going. Bitcoin had a sell-off today, but it's coming back up. Bonds continue to strengthen. That's good for the market. And the dollar continues to weaken. That's also good for the market. It's about names, guys. It's a stock pickers market. It's about names. And if you're not with us, we're focusing on names all the time. Today it was AMD. Talked about AMD and how well it looked this morning set up, how this was up. The chart looked great going to the open, jumped on it with shares, then jumped back in with options. I've been in and out of it 3 times, made money on it, took some losses in it too, as it pulled back here and took me out of my last trade. But it is what it is. AMD breaking out above 170, 174.55 is your next target there. That looks good. Tesla gave trade after trade this week. You had 3 big days of Tesla trades, leaving 2 gaps. Even opened up higher today. So if you held overnight, you had a chance to get out. Green is still up over above Friday's close, even though it dipped. Very strong names. What else is going on? Oh, well, ho-hum. Microsoft, another day, another new all-time high. Google, another day, a new all-time high. Apple, another day, another all-time high. We called out Meta quickly this morning that it looked good, and it broke above yesterday's high. And look at this. Meta now joins the all-time high club. Remember, this was a name they hated so much on earnings that when they dropped it here, they had this thing under $400 at one point. Look at this reversal all the way back to all-time highs. This market is sticking with what they want. It's the same names. Don't forget about Netflix here. Netflix is now $6 away from the all-time here, $5 or so away, $700.99. ARM hit a new all-time high today, right? So they keep coming back for these names. They all look very good. The semis have woken back up here and they're trading better. We see software names getting into the act. Adobe, nice big move after earnings here. Look at this 6-day run on this one. Palantir breaking out today, 28 your next target there. CRM, they hated earnings so much, but they're falling over themselves, buying it back, and it's filling this gap now. So even Crowd, which got a big downgrade, is holding just fine here. So overall, guys, the market looks great. It's going to be a slow afternoon, very quiet. I may check in with you guys in the room every once in a while to make sure everything's good. Other than that, I'm going to wish you all a wonderful weekend. Be back at this. We got a full week next week. We have CPI next week. We have earnings kick in with the banks, JP Morgan, others on Friday morning. So we got a big week ahead. And with that, I wish you guys a wonderful weekend. If you want to join us, link in the description below. You come over to smartoptiontrading.com. Thank you, guys.